Step into a world of raw power, the roar of engines, the crack of timber. The ground shakes with the force of innovation, and the air is filled with the hum of relentless power. We hope you enjoyed discovering the force behind these incredible machines, witnessing their unstoppable energy in action. Keeping railway tracks clear during winter is essential for maintaining a reliable infrastructure. To address this need, they developed a high-performance rotary snowplow designed to handle up to 10,000 tons of snow per hour. This powerful machine ensures rapid and efficient snow removal. A car stuck in deep snow being pulled out by a tow truck. The scene appears to take place in a rural or forested area during winter, with snow covering both the ground and the vehicle. Oh, the excitement of winter sports. But before you can glide down snow-covered trails, the Bombardier Snow Groomer is hard at work. This powerful machine compacts the snow to perfection, ensuring smooth rides, making the trail safe and clean. The harvester skillfully handles tree trunks, making precise cuts. Built on an MTZ base, it offers outstanding traction and stability, while its robust arms ensure smooth operation even in the most challenging conditions. Amidst the snow-covered forest, the yellow forestry vehicle stands like a dedicated artist, diligently carrying out its task. Its crane arm stretches gracefully, gently lifting the heavy tree trunks as if performing a dance in the tranquil winter air. The Menzi Muck M545 takes center stage in the snowy landscape, showcasing its extraordinary capabilities as it clears thick layers of snow with unmatched precision.
There she goes.
I'm amazed that everyone is okay. It's hard to believe how close it came. The roar of its engine echoes through the cold air, powerful and relentless, like the heartbeat of a tireless warrior. Inside the wood chip, its blades spin with precision, sharp and determined, as if each turn is a mighty dance. Trees can be surprisingly tricky. You may think you have everything under control, but they have a way of catching you off guard. The trackless MT5 is an exceptional snow removal machine, specially designed to tackle the challenges of winter weather. Equipped with powerful features, it efficiently clears snow and ice, transforming snowy roads and pathways into safer, more manageable surfaces. During the winter months, the streets remain clear thanks to the vintage Sicker snow blower, powered by a powerful Detroit diesel engine. Once loaders and graders have pushed the snow into piles, this iconic machine springs into action, efficiently blowing the snow into tracks. Watching the Avant 640 tackle snow removal is truly a sight to behold. Powered by a robust engine and equipped with a range of attachments, this compact machine glides effortlessly over snow-covered roads, clearing pathways with astounding precision. The Big Float amphibious excavator is built for the toughest environments, from wetlands and coastal regions to shallow waters. Its unique design includes adjustable pontoons that provide the necessary buoyancy and stability to navigate through soft or muddy terrain without sinking. This machine is not just an excavator, it also functions as a dredger, using a telescopic bucket to collect sediment and silt. If you're seeking power and versatility in the woods, this machine is your ultimate solution. This powerhouse effortlessly hauls up to 12 tons, and its advanced leveling system ensures stability, even on the most rugged terrain. Whether you're forwarding logs or processing timber, this machine is built to handle it all. And with Processor, you'll be ready to unleash the beast and take on any challenge with unparalleled strength and efficiency.
It's falling on you. Move! Move! Move!
No joke, dealing with trees can be more challenging than you might think. You might feel like you've got everything in check, only to have them catch you off guard when you least anticipate it. Designed to process branches, logs, and wooden materials into chips or mulch. Mobile Wood Chipper is equipped with a powerful engine, typically powered by gasoline or diesel, to ensure efficient operation. The design includes an input chute for feeding wood and a tall discharge chute for expelling the processed wood chips. Mounted on a trailer with a towing hitch, the machine is easily transportable to different locations. This type of equipment is commonly used for clearing garden waste, processing branches after pruning, or producing mulch for gardening and landscaping.
Whoa! Whoops. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Look at that house. Look at that house. What an accident. Wow.
Known for its rugged durability, it is designed to navigate challenging terrains such as forests and uneven ground with ease. Powered by a strong engine, the SMV-21 delivers high torque, making it ideal for hauling logs, operating forestry attachments, and clearing debris. Its versatility is enhanced by the ability to attach specialized equipment like log grapples, winches, and cranes. The operator's cab is ergonomically designed, offering comfort and protection, often with features like a rollover protection system, ROPS, and climate control for harsh weather. Additionally, the SMV-21 is engineered with sustainability in mind, adhering to modern emission standards to minimize environmental impact. This tractor is an essential tool in forestry, used for tasks like timber harvesting, clearing forest paths, and managing undergrowth, solidifying its reputation as a reliable and efficient choice for forest management professionals. Looks like a steel beast, ravenous and ready to devour a massive log. Its sharp jaws sink deep into the wood, tearing through the bark like the claws of a predator gripping its prey. Under the immense force of its powerful steel arms, the once sturdy log crumbles, breaking apart into splinters. This machine is not just a tool, it is a fearless warrior on the battlefield of timber, crushing and conquering even the toughest trunks. The bright red machine stands like a hungry monster, eagerly waiting for its next meal. As the man feeds it a lush green tree, the machine's sharp teeth come alive, chewing through the branches with relentless force. With a roar, it devours the tree, reducing it to a shower of wood chips in mere seconds. Like a tireless predator, it shows no mercy, turning the once proud tree into tiny fragments. The ground around it is littered with the remains of its previous conquests. Absolutely astonishing. This green machine operates like a true master in the world of wood, powerful and relentless. In the blink of an eye, a sturdy log slides inside, and instantly, the razor-sharp yellow blades strike down like the fangs of a beast, slicing through the wood with effortless precision.